again.
Yo, Zulu.
You gotta move up so we can hear it though.
Yo, check it. Yeah, get up in here. We in it. We in the hood pushing demons that's sharp as shit. The blade is sharp as hell, so don't start no shit. The flow is poisonous, my nigga, like arsenic. It's only a matter of time if we open up the market, bitch. And you niggas running your mouth with no target, bitch. Bitches got me feeling myself like the narcissist won't. Just when they thought Zulu's gonna stop, it don't opt. Go ahead, pop up.
Yo, I'm like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the 6. Got 100 goonies ready, ammo loaded in a clip. Stay steady with the Fetty, I will never fall a trip. I'll be pushing on your strip with your bitch on my dick prick. Now fall back cause I'm known to let the beast loose. Yeah, that's the end, it's so quick to let the heat shoot. Move with the eagle, had them boys looking see through the other side like, oh yeah, that's what he do. Yeah, they be knowing that I'm letting them guns go. But if it ain't on me, then I'm throwing a punch, so be easy. Yo, Red, let these bitch boys know that they guns don't fear me. I'm on the grind from the morning to the night. Keep my knuckle game right in case a fool wanna fight. Yeah, I might kill for the bill. And like Banks said, we'll fuck you up for real. And me, I'm so ill with a swag so mean. Keep a couple stacks tucked in my True Religion jeans. The South be the team and Craven be the set. So if you violate it, bullets flying at your head. I'm coming for the bread, I ain't think about y'all. My calculation correct. Any day I'm gonna fall. Come on, man. Yo, I'm the truth. I'm telling you, get paper.
To the Aki Red, he out here visiting.
Peace.
My younger, bigger brother. Hey yo, I cop me a single and charge you a double. Smoke with your single, then cop me a double. Repeat the cycle and knee deep in hustle. I'm just selling the smoke, I sell it to smoke it. SOS is in the sand by the ocean. Ice cold water, that's the hand of a cold pimp. I set it on a clan or a whole clique. RBG shit, yeah, that's that old shit. She knows it. That's why she get green when I show it and fiend when I blow it. You better off riding with me. I'm flying that funny looking sign on the side of my jeans. If my money getting tight, I'ma slide in the jeans and get the money out the pocket on the side of the jeans, cause a hoe ain't shit. So putting the ring on the bitch is like putting the silk hat on the pig. I don't trust no nigga. You figure cause I think I'm too hot, but I'm cooler than the dead man's piss. What Red Man said? Whatever, man. Listen, I solve my problems, mediate with a Beretta, man. Mama said go to the church to be a better man. Shorty said if I don't change, she'll get a better man. They ain't know I grew up rough, tougher than leather, man. I can only give you blue skies. I'm your weatherman, not your boyfriend or your best friend. I'll be your toy friend. Better than your man, shorty rock with it lean. She weak, if I drop my jeans on her, you won't see her for a week. If I drop my dream on her, you won't see her for a year. Let me make this quite clear, we get money over here, frontin' over there. But take it as a loss, you ain't paying what it costs to get it shaken. With a boss out of naked,
20s and 50s.
Try to top me off and try to take it as a fall from the paper, said it was yours then. You showing what a real G is it. Different lifestyles, but we got the same mission. But we ain't playing for the same team, so I'm sticking. The whole team up like a frame on the picture. Put you on the shirt for your dames and your niggas. Hoes better run, it's the same for the bitches. I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking judge. Fuck the time, cause you won't see my name next to witness. So
bang.
Who else? Anybody else got anything else?
Yeah. Why?
Chapter
7.
We need more fire.
Yeah. Making Queens was good. Yeah.
My heart's starting to pump, maybe we need more fire.
I said, I told y'all on tracks, I run miles. Y'all got 52 hand blocks, I got 53 styles. Pile the corpses, it's rigor mortis. Kill corporate, run up in your fortress. Of course, it's the neighborhood Zulu. 7B the chapter, I throw a spear through you. Just javelins I use when I be traveling. I don't walk, I march. I'm a soldier, a contra. Less than 1 minute, I'll fold ya. Meet the man that you thought was a myth. Spit a cascade and bang like metalsmiths. Raw material, you could call it piff. Y'all fructose and you standing too close, so I won't feel sorry when I turn you to a ghost. The fake hate it, the real want it most. You weak on the block, I'm Garnett in the post. But straight up and down like 12:30, I gets busy, opposite of pretty. Ask anybody that done heard me. If it's your first challenge, I welcome you in. This is One Shot Watt from the UZN. Cause when I'm in the booth, it's a one-shot deal. Assassination, one shot, one kill. Respect my walk and get walked on. You can get your tongue cut out if you talk wrong. It's real.
Alright.
Okay, hold on. Yo, one more. Yo, Yo, they talk, but they don't know about the boys from the south. The way I be getting money, I be stretching it out. Take a half, make an ounce, stash half in the couch. Live life with no regrets, I'm taking my route. Yeah, I know I'm young, but I'm making some cake. Got me thinking about the 7:45. I don't play, my squad's so great. The South and the Zulu, chapter 25, fam, listen, we'll do you.
That's what it is.
Yeah. Check it. Yo. Feel me on this one? Feel me on this one. Now everybody claiming the click, but when it comes down to gunning the clip, these niggas is quick to run in your crib. Motherfucker, I'm quick to put the hawk to your wrist. Don't test me, cause all y'all niggas is pussy and don't got the main child to shoot me. Word to my nigga Dookie, all of y'all is pussy. Eat around the tushy and talk so much shit. Makes me sick, so you might as well say I'm ill and there's no cure. So take a chill pill, cause my flow is fire for real. And my draw making how the empire pillar. Crook 9 nigga, the giant killer. There'll be a hell of a lot of gunfire if y'all niggas is killers. Bitch ass niggas.
That's what it is. We running out of tape, so yo, Zulu, you already know. Zulu. 2-5. Peace.